The importance of practicing swimming from time to time cannot be underestimated, as it not only enhances physical fitness but also provides a vital skill for safety in water. Engaging in swimming fosters social connections, allowing friends and families to bond over shared experiences while enjoying the refreshing environment of a pool. Learning to swim can initially be intimidating, but with the right guidance, it opens up a world of enjoyment and adventure in various water settings. Swimming not only serves as a fun recreational activity, but also lays the groundwork for participation in competitive sports, enhancing discipline and resilience in young swimmers. Incorporating swimming into a regular routine promotes mental well-being, acting as a form of therapy and relaxation amidst the pressures of daily life. The practice of swimming brings families together, creating lasting memories while also emphasizing the importance of skill development and personal improvement in the sport. Regular swimming practice is crucial for developing safety awareness around water, ensuring individuals can respond effectively in emergencies. The competitive spirit fostered through swimming builds character and teamwork, teaching valuable life lessons about perseverance and support among peers.
If you enjoy our content, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell to not miss any video. Thanks.
The journey of swimming begins at a young age, instilling confidence and enjoyment in water activities that can last a lifetime. Exploring different facets of swimming, including recreational activities at places like water parks, amplifies the joy and excitement associated with being in the water. Swimming provides an excellent way to unwind, especially during evenings, while expert guidance helps nurture talent and refine skills among aspiring swimmers. The aesthetic beauty of swimming pools in nature enhances the experience, while activities like synchronized swimming highlight the art and precision involved in the sport. Learning various swimming techniques creates a fun environment that fosters camaraderie, making it a beloved activity for gatherings and celebrations. The sense of achievement felt after a challenging swim motivates individuals to push their limits, while young learners gain confidence through practice and friendly encouragement. Integrating activities like yoga with swimming helps enhance both physical and mental well-being, while friendly competitions build camaraderie among young swimmers. Exploring diverse aquatic sports like water polo enriches the swimming experience, while dedicated coaches play a crucial role in nurturing talent and fostering team spirit. Swimming in serene, natural waters offers moments of reflection and tranquility, while lively summer camps bring community and joy to young swimmers. The thrill of competition drives swimmers to excel, while the memories made around shared experiences create lasting bonds that extend beyond the pool. The intricacies of swimming techniques are essential for success in training, while the electrifying atmosphere of competitions inspires swimmers to reach new heights. Recognition in competitive events fuels ambition and inspires future goals, while synchronized performances highlight the beauty and collaborative spirit inherent in swimming. Mastering various swimming styles, such as the butterfly stroke, reflects personal growth, while beach outings foster an appreciation for water activities within families. Precision in techniques like flip turns showcases the dedication of swimmers, while social gatherings around pools promote community bonding and shared joy. The intensity of preparation for races drives athletes to give their best, while children's swimming lessons focus on building essential skills in a playful environment. Open water competitions challenge swimmers in exciting environments, while beginner classes emphasize safety and build foundational skills essential for all ages. The moment of victory as a swimmer reaches for the finish line encapsulates dedication and hard work, while relaxed moments poolside strengthen friendships and shared passions. Expert coaching helps swimmers refine their skills for better performance, while pool parties create joyful memories and experiences in the water. Morning swims offer tranquility and focus for athletes, while playful moments in the water bring joy and laughter, making swimming a multifaceted experience. The grace of backstroke demonstrates the artistry of swimming styles, while friendly competitions among friends strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. Underwater moments reveal the beauty of swimming techniques, while community events like charity swimathons unite swimmers for a common purpose and foster a sense of teamwork. The thrill of winning races leaves swimmers exhilarated and ready for more, while community pool days foster joy and bonding among families in a fun atmosphere. Commitment to perfecting strokes defines an athlete's training regimen, while synchronized routines highlight the beauty of teamwork in the world of aquatics. Powerful starts off the wall represent the determination to excel in the sport, while playful games like water volleyball bring camaraderie and laughter into the swimming experience.